back again to my English comprehension exercise. Today we're going to be talking about basic vocabulary words about the furniture in English. But before we get started, as always, guys, please like my page and hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So this lesson with the basic furniture vocabulary in English will help you with some common pieces of furniture you need to know in English. Furniture is the most important aspect of a living space that we have. It can turn a cozy home or an empty office space into an inviting space for your friends and family. So let's look at some of these important vocabulary words about the furniture in English. Bed. A bed is a piece of furniture where we sleep. A table. A table is a flat surface used for dining, where we eat at, what we eat on, working or other activities. We do our homework on tables also. Desks. A desk is a flat workplace used for studying your English. A chair. A chair is what I'm sitting on right now. A chair. This is a chair. A chair is a piece of furniture where we sit. We sit on it. An armchair. An armchair is a comfortable chair with pieces for your arms to rest. This is an armchair. I have an arm. I have an arm on this chair. An arm. I can rest my arms on this chair. Dresser. A dresser is a tall piece of furniture with many drawers, used for storing our clothes, used for putting our clothes in. A nightstand. I don't know about you, but I use my nightstand to set my lamp on, books, my cell phone. I leave my cell phone on my nightstand at night. A nightstand is a small table next to the bed where you can store or put many items. A cupboard. A cupboard is a tall piece of furniture with doors and shelves used for storing such items as dishes, clothes, books, whatever you want to store in the cupboard. Bookcase. Self-explanatory. Books. A bookcase is a piece of furniture with shelves to put your books on. A mirror. A mirror is a flat piece of glass to reflect a personal image, to reflect your image. We all look at mirrors every day, don't we? We want to see if our hair is combed correct. We use mirrors to put on our makeup and lipstick. We look at the mirrors to make sure that our clothing is fixed proper. Isn't that a great invention? Mirrors. And the last one, wardrobe. A wardrobe is a large storage unit with doors and shelves used for storing clothing and other items. Most people, if not all people, who have homes or live in apartments, we have a wardrobe cabinet, or a closet is what I like to call it, a closet where you can hang your clothes and put your shirts, your folded shirts and pants on the shelving and set your shoes on the shelving. I like to refer to that as a closet, but for this lesson, the basic vocabulary words with furniture, it's called a wardrobe. With these basic vocabulary words with furniture in English also will help you in conversation. We talk about these items, these furniture items, all the time, almost every day, I would think. We talk about what's in our closet, what's on our nightstand, the armchair or the chair or the desk, which desk we're going to use, etc., etc. So practice these English vocabulary words with the furniture. These are basic furniture vocabulary words that you should comprehend in English. You should know in English. If you do not understand what the word means, again, guys, you can Google the word, and it will tell you what it means in your own language. You can also pick up an English dictionary and find out what those vocabulary words mean. You should practice these vocabulary words often until they stick in your brain, and soon you will be understanding the English language. Thank you again, guys, for visiting my YouTube channel for this English comprehension lesson about basic furniture items in English, vocabulary words. Please like my page. Also hit that subscribe button, guys, if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you doing the next English exercise. Bye.